change a resident's incontinent brief. The supply should be in the resident room, so I would knock on the door, wash my hands. Hi Annie, I'm Myra. I'm here to change your brief. I'm going to pull the curtain. Okay, I'm going to raise up your bed. I have my brief in the residence drawer, the new brief. Get my gloves on. I have a garbage can nearby. I'm going to raise the side rail on the other side of the bed because she'll have to roll. Okay, so I'm going to get your dirty brief off. So again, we're just going to expose just that area. The brief has tabs. So I've raised that side rail. I'm going to have her roll to the right. And I want to be able to take this dirty brief out when she's rolling on her side. So I'm going to make sure I tuck that under so we don't have to pull on her skin. And I always close the tabs so that doesn't scratch her as we roll over. Okay, I have my new brief ready here. So I'm going to roll down the dirty brief, and then I would use disposable wipes to do her pericare in the front, and you can watch the video on pericare to see how that goes. Okay, I'm going to have you move over to the side of the bed on 3 towards me. 1, 2, 3. And now Annie, I'm going to have you move over onto your right side. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Again, we're just going to expose only the necessary part. So I pulled that brief through when she was laying on her side. So we'll get rid of the dirty brief. And then I would use wipes to do her backside pericare. And then I'm going to position the new brief. The tabs are always in the back of the brief. I'm going to put that underneath her. Okay, and then I'm going to have her lay back. And since I did her backside pericare, I'm going to remove my gloves. And I'm going to sanitize my hands. I'll put on some new gloves to finish putting her brief on. Bring the rest of the brief through the front. And I want to make sure that it's up high enough, that it's in the middle, and it's not uncomfortable. Does that feel okay on your legs? Good. And then we'll take the tabs, get rid of all the wrinkles on the side of the brief. And I should have brought that through far enough. And sometimes the tabs get stuck. Again, get rid of the wrinkles on that side. Okay, does everything feel okay? All right, get you tucked back in here. Make sure you got the toe pleat. Okay, are you comfortable, Annie? Okay, I'm just gonna wash my hands. Lower the bed. Open the curtain. Get her side rail down. Just got her call light. Make sure the bed is locked. Okay, I'll be back later, Annie. Thank you.